In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the McAfee VPN not working issue. We've all encountered those frustrating moments when our technology doesn't work quite as expected, and I'm here to guide you through some simple steps to get your VPN up and running smoothly again. First, let's begin by opening up the McAfee app on your device. It's the essential first step, as most of the troubleshooting will be done within the app itself. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to do that through your device's app store. Once you're in, make sure you're on the home screen of your McAfee application, as that's where you'll find all your account settings and options. The next step you need to take is to click on the Account section. You'll usually find this option in the top menu bar or the sidebar, depending on your app version. Accessing your account info is crucial, because from here, you can check your subscription status and make sure everything is current. Sometimes, an expired subscription may cause VPN problems. After that, it's time to check for updates by clicking on Update App. This might seem like a basic suggestion, but keeping your software up to date is crucial for smooth operation. Updates often come with bug fixes, improved features, and enhanced security measures that can resolve connectivity issues with your VPN. If there's an available update, go ahead and install it. It might take a few moments, but it could resolve the issue immediately. While updating, ensure that your internet connection is stable, since a faulty connection could interfere with the update process or the functioning of the VPN. If your internet connection isn't steady, try resetting your router or connecting to a different network. Moreover, once your app is updated, restart your device. This simple action can often solve multiple glitches by refreshing system processes and connections. Upon reboot, open the McAfee app again and attempt to connect to the VPN to see if the issue has been resolved. Don't forget to check your device's settings as well. Sometimes, certain settings or permissions must be enabled for the VPN to work correctly. Make sure there's no conflicting software that's blocking VPN operations, such as other security apps or network restrictions. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and your VPN is still not working, don't hesitate to reach out to McAfee's support team. They provide expert help and might have access to further solutions tailored to your specific issue. By following these steps, you should be back online with your VPN in no time. Keep these tips handy for future reference, and thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide helps you enjoy a seamless VPN experience now and in the future.